How to create a free landing page for Google Ads. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a free landing page for your Google Ads using Google Sites. Landing pages are essential for any successful online advertising campaign, and they can help improve the conversion rate of your ads. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of creating a landing page using this website called Google Sites that you can use for your Google Ads. Google Site is a free website builder that's easy to use, and it is a great option for creating landing pages. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to site.google.com, or you can simply go to another tab and search in Google Sites. And you're going to select the first option over here, and you will arrive into your Google Sites. Now, make sure that you are logged in into your Google account because this is a Google feature. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Google Sites before we start creating. As you can see here on the top, we have different templates that you can use. It is up to you if you would like to use any templates. You could view more templates by clicking on the template gallery, and you would be able to see more types of templates. For example, dog walker, holiday party, photo portfolio, and restaurant. There are many types of other templates that you could use, but for us right now, we're going to create a blank template. Now over here, this is where we will be able to edit and create our landing page. Now over here, we can name our site. For example, we're going to name it Google Ads. It's like that, and we could enter our site and our site name, and our site name would automatically change over here also. As you can see here on the right side, we have the insert, pages, and themes. Under the themes, this is where we will be able to edit the different styles for our page. For example, Aristotle, our page would change its style. We could change it diplomat, vision, level, or any design that you want. And you would be able to change your font color over here and your font style over here. Now for the meantime, we're going to go with impression. And we will change the color to gray maybe, or any color that you like, maybe green. Then we can change our font color to frank, capital, and narrow. Unlike other website builders, your options are a bit limited. There are not much options that you could choose from, but this is a very simple website builder that anyone could use and create pages from. So if you are a beginner and you're not that good with using the very complicated website builders that other people uses, you can simply use Google Sites to create any type of website that you would like to have. And under pages, this is where we would be able to add extra pages instead of just one page. For example, we could add a new menu section, a full page embedded, a new link, or a new page. We're going to try and add a new page. For example, about, just like that. And as you can see here on the top right, we would have a navigation bar automatically created for us. And we could change location just like that. We can also click on insert over here. This is where you will be able to insert different elements for your page. For example, the text box, you could simply click this and it will appear on our screen. We could change the size. We could also change the color by clicking on this section, and you could change it to green, just like that. You could also use an image as your background by clicking on select, and you could choose any of this. You could have by URL, you could search, you could have it from your albums, you could see your Google Drives, and many more. You could also add images by simply clicking this. You would either be able to upload or select. For example, we're going to go with upload, and I'm going to choose this one. It's a random picture, and you could move around your picture by simply dragging it to wherever you would like to place it, just like that. You could also enlarge this or make it longer, just like that. And you could make it bigger by doing this. Just like that. And you could also make two elements combined by simply dragging this into the element that you have selected earlier. For example, this text box, we're going to combine it. And just like that, the image and text box has combined. You can also add embedded and drive. Now over here, you can see that you can add content blocks. Content blocks are basically pre-made layouts with different elements. For example, this one, this is a combined heading, text, and a photo that you could use. You could upload or select an image. For example, we're going to select an image. We could choose this one. And as you can see, our photo would appear over here. We could change the crop size by double clicking this, just like that. And then you could add your title over here to whatever title you want. There's a lot of different content blocks that you can use here for your landing page. You have this one if you want. You could add multiple images, then add their text. To delete a specific section, you can simply look over here on the left side, and you would be able to either change your section color, duplicate your section, and delete your section. Now, there are a lot of options that you could choose from over here. You could add anything you want. For example, a table of content, image carousel, a button, a divider, a spacer, social links if you want. For example, we're going to add TikTok.com. Over here, we're going to add Facebook.com. And over here, your YouTube.com. And just like that, the logo would automatically appear on wherever this section would appear. And then you can simply drag this around to wherever you want to put it. For example, over here, we combine it once again with our text element. And we could edit this by clicking on this. We would be able to edit the size of our icons. We could change it to square, just like that, or no shape. Like that. You could change the color to maybe colored, just like that. And maybe outline only, just like that. You could change the alignment by clicking on this option over here. You can also edit your links by clicking on this edit button. Now you can edit your page to whatever your Google Ads is about. For example, it's about lawnmower. You can simply change your title to lawnmower. You can change your images. You can edit every part of this page into the topic of your Google Ads. And after that, you can simply get a button element over here on the right side, and you could put it into your page. We could add a name over here, for example, add to cart. And we could put a link over here, maybe Shopify, just like that, insert. And we could move this around once again. And basically what will happen is when people click your Google Ads, they would be redirected to this landing page, and they could read information about your ad. And if they want to buy your product that you are advertising from, they could simply click on this button over here, and they would be redirected to your main page or your main e-commerce shop or whatever shop you are selling from. And after editing and creating your page, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right. And then you could type in your web address, for example, trial ads, just like that. If you have a custom domain, you can click on manage over here, and you would be able to connect your custom domain. You could also edit who can view your site. Right now it is on anyone, and you could also edit and request public search engine to not display your sites. And after doing this, you can simply click on publish. And just like that, our website has officially been published, and we can click on this button over here, and we could see publish settings, review changes, and publish. We're going to click on publish site, and this will redirect us to the website that we have just created. And as you can see, we can move through the home and about. You could also search over here if you want, and we could also click on our links over here. This will automatically redirect us to whatever link is connected here. You can also click on add to cart, and this will redirect you to the official website that you are selling from. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.